The Buick Riviera made its production debut on October 4, 1962, as a 1963 model, and it immediately stood apart. Its body shell was unique to the marque, something unusual within General Motors at the time. Clean, elegant, and purposeful, the design stayed true to its original vision, with hidden headlights subtly tucked behind the fender grills. Its ground-up styling embraced the dramatic Coke bottle look, with a tapered midsection flowing into boldly flared fenders. Gone was Buick's old sweep spear trim line. This was a new era of sculpted sophistication. By 1965, performance took center stage. The 401 cubic inch V8 returned as standard, while the new Grand Sport model debuted with the mighty Super Wildcat V8. Producing 360 horsepower through dual 4-barrel carburetors and backed by a more aggressive axle ratio, it delivered serious muscle. Between 1963 and 1965, total Riviera sales reached 112,244, cementing its place as one of the most distinctive American Grand Tourers of its time.